The reason why we're doing the filming is because it's giving the consumers a voice, and that's a piece that's been missing up till now.
Because people may have had experiences in the past which put a mark on their file, but then they have learned from it, and their current situation is completely different from maybe 10 or so years ago.
It was a payment that it was not done in 2011. You feel angry, you feel frustrated because of the situation that you didn't create it, and you didn't want to be in that position, but it's nothing that you can do.
At the time, I was laid in a hospital bed on the phone to NatWest because it's in my name. I was 18, I was kind of dating my girlfriend at the time, so I bought the house myself in my own name, and it was mine to deal with. I was terminal with cancer twice. I was in intensive cares and had to deal through this and ring NatWest and tell them I need a payment holiday, but don't lose my house. That was the most worrying thing versus the diagnosis. But science did me well. We got over it, chemotherapy and drugs. I had a stem cell transplant, and then after that, obviously, back at home, I had to sort it out. It's not easy, it's tough, but credit scores don't take that into account.
I felt really bad that some silly mistake was going to last quite some time. It was just a matter of how to get out of the situation and put everything right. It's taken, I'd say, a good 9 years to get that situation rectified, just for one silly mistake.
It's customer service, but it's the most genuine customer service team I've ever worked with. Truly. I've worked in customer service for several years, and there was always, oh yeah, we do what's best for the customer, but also we have to really benefit the business as well. Whereas I've yet to encounter that kind of vibe in this team. There's a line that we use, which is when in doubt, do the kind thing, which I've never heard ever in any previous job, so it's very refreshing.
I think when I was younger, it affected my credit score from getting catalogues and stuff like that. Obviously, as I've grown up now, my kids are older, I'm like, I want to get myself back on track.
It caught me out a little bit, and it's things like that that sometimes can get you into a bit of a bad situation, especially when you've got a high loan that comes out.
Salad have created and commissioned these videos not to promote our business. We're receiving thousands of applicants on a daily basis, but to allow the voice of the consumer to be heard. I think it's really important that that is heard by all sorts of people associated with the lending industry.
What I would say a big thank you to Salad Money for giving me this opportunity to do this interview.
I like when financial institutions, they are responsible, but at the same they're offering opportunities for people to have the financial freedom to do the things that they like.
I get an extra like £350 a month. It's like you don't know anything till something's mentioned.
Having seen these films about our borrowers and hearing some commentary from me, I'd really like people who are making informed decisions about credit to really understand who the consumers are and what their story is and how they borrow.
They say yes to me? Okay, then fine. Yeah. So thank you, guys.
Well, thank you.
No problem.